Hello, my name is Misty. I am a drafting tutor for San Juan College. Today, I would like to talk to you about using commands in the ribbon in a software program called AutoCAD. The ribbon can be found along the top of your screen and should look similar to this. Today, we're going to be talking about the Home tab in the ribbon. The Home tab is divided into different sections. In this video, we will be looking at the sections of Draw, Modify, and Annotation. We will start with the section labeled Draw. If you choose the line command, you can create a vertical, a horizontal, and an angled line. If we select the polyline command, you don't have to click to stop drawing. You can just keep going and create as many lines within the polyline as needed. There is also the circle command. In this circle command, you will find numerous ways to draw a circle. Today, we're going to just draw your basic circle with the center radius and also a center diameter. So let's start with the center radius. If we click on the model space, notice that the circle actually starts from the center point and allows you to track with your polar tracking, and let's say we want to make this a radius of 1.5 inches. We're going to create another circle with center diameter. We're also going to put in 1.5 inches. Can you see the difference between diameter and radius? Our next command is known as arc. We will be drawing an arc under the Start, Center, End command. You can actually use this line as a tool to guide. So we're going to start here. We'll go to the center about right here, and then we'll end right there. These commands, as well as the other commands in this section, are what you will use to create a 2D drawing of an object. Our next section is labeled Modify. Within this section, you will find commands that are used to make modifications or edits to your drawing. Some of the commands in this section are copy. Let's select the copy command, and then we're going to choose our object, which is this vertical line. Press enter, select a base point, and now you have a copy. It will continue making copies until you press enter or spacebar to end the command. Our next command is known as the move command. This allows you to pick an object. So we'll pick our circle that we drew previously. Press enter. You can pick the center point or a quadrant, and this allows you to maneuver the object or move the object anywhere on the model space. So we're going to stick them right down here. We also have the rotate command. Once you click on the rotate command, select your object you would like to rotate. We're going to select this vertical line, press enter, pick your base point. So I'll be selecting my base point at the bottom of the line. Now you can see that this line that I've selected is moving in a clockwise and counterclockwise direction. These commands allow you to make changes to your drawing's location or view. The third section I would like to talk about today is called annotation. We're going to create a couple of different dimensions. Let's start with a linear dimension. So if we were to go from here to here, we can now see a linear dimension of, zoom in a little bit, 6.3 inches. The next dimension I would like to demonstrate is going to be a diameter dimension, this circle, and it is showing a diameter of 3 inches. But if we were to repeat the dimension process on the circle we drew using diameter, now you can see only a diameter of 1.5 inches compared to the circle radius command we used earlier that has a full diameter of 3. You can also add notes by selecting the text command. You have a choice of using multi-line text or single line. Multi-line text is best for adding notes to your drawing, or you have single line, which displays text on screen as it is entered. We're going to use multi-line text to add our name and the date to this drawing. We're going to create our little text box, and we're just going to type in the name. Be sure your caps lock is on when you're typing, or else the ANSI will display if you have lowercase. And then to add a second line, you just press enter, and then you can enter in the date. Once you're done typing, you can just click on your model space, and now you have multi-line text within your drawing. This brings us to the conclusion of how to use commands in your AutoCAD ribbon. Please remember that assistance is here and your success matters. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please check out our other videos on the Student Success Center website by typing www.samwoncollege.edu/tutoring center/. You can also find our videos on the Student Success Center Facebook page by typing www.facebook.com/tutoring/sjc/. And our videos are also posted on YouTube. Open up your web browser and then type www.youtube.com/samwoncollege/Student Success Center. A menu of our videos will be displayed. And don't forget to subscribe. Stay safe, stay healthy, and together we can do this.